Hey, how's it going? Micah White here, and I'm cutting this video on, and this may be a question that you may have. Is exactly how much do it cost to get started with multiple income funnel? A very legitimate question. So we'll be straight and to the point. And what's so attractive about this business is that it doesn't take a huge investment to get started, because each one of the income streams inside multiple income funnel, you can do them in steps. You don't have to invest in every income stream at once. Now, if you have the money to get started, to get fully invested in each and every income stream, by all means, you should do that. But if you're working with a very limited budget, take it one step at a time. And the first step that you need to take is to join the multiple income funnel. That is the first step you need to take. And to join the multiple income funnel is $49. It's $49 a month. And it allows you to earn a $20 residual income off of your team, off of each individual on your team, except your second one. That's the one that passes up, because this is a one-up program. But you earn $20 residual, which they take the fees out, which would be $18. But you can build a nice residual income just off of the multiple income funnel. Now, income stream number 2, which is easy one-up. Now you have 6 different packages that you can invest in. Now let's go to their website. This is just the capture page. This is their sales page. Now, in Easy One Up, you can get started as low as $25 with the Elevation Elite. It'll cost you $100. The Vertex $250, the Vertex Elite $500, the Vertex Pro $1,000, and now the Vertex Live, which is $2,000. Now, by all means, you shouldn't leave any money on the table. So if you can come in at this level, by all means, come in at the Vertex Live, because when people start signing up under you, trust and believe, it's going to be someone that will look at this and say, you know what, I want to be fully invested. I don't want to leave any money on the table. And they will come in at this $2,000 level. And if you're not invested in this level, you're going to lose that commission. It's going to pass up to the next person in your genealogy that is on this level. So you have to own it to make the money. But if you can't invest that much in getting started, start where you can. Start as high as you can. If it's $100, hey, let it be $100. Make those $100 commissions, stack them, and move up. Invest back into your business. Okay, but this is the Easy One Up program. So you can come in as little as, like I said, as low as $25. Okay. Income stream number 3, which is the text bot AI. In this program, this income stream, you can get started as little as $100 or $500 with the Ava Plus. The Ava Basic, you come in at $100, and if you decide to get the Ava Plus, which has more features and more benefits, and you can do more, you can come in at $500 and you'll earn 100% commissions. Just like Easy One Up, you earn 100% commissions. Excuse me. And with the Ava TextBot AI, you'll earn anywhere from $100 to $500 if you're invested in Ava Plus. And so that gives you an idea of what you need to invest here. But this is one of the programs. Now, this TextBot AI, now it is hot. I mean, it really sells, and this is a very, very easy program to promote. The thing of it is that, you know, the automated virtual assistant, she does all the work for you. All you do is just shoot people to your web address, sales page, or have them call a phone number. I mean, it's very simple, but the cost is anywhere from $100 to $500 to join TextBot AI. Now, the last income stream on here is Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is a place where you can get buy your traffic. You buy the traffic to send to your funnel, to send to the multiple income funnel, and you send traffic here and let Mac do all the work. Let them do the heavy lifting. Let them collect the lead. Let them follow up with the lead. If you're not technically savvy and have an autoresponder and all this stuff, they will do all the work for you. But income stream number 4, now Traffic Authority, here are the traffic packages. You can come in as little as $220 all the way up to $8,397. Now, do you have to buy this traffic? No, you don't. I mean, this is one of these things that, you know, if you want to do some free and organic lead generation, do that. I mean, it's nothing written in stone. There's no requirement that you have to invest in one of these traffic packages. Now, these traffic packages, Traffic Authority has some of the best traffic on the internet. So if you're going to spend some money, you know, get positioned, because you're going to earn commissions off each and every one of these traffic packages. When people come into your business and they purchase traffic, okay, you're going to earn a commission. If they come in and they buy a $220 package, you're going to earn a commission off that. If they come in and buy a $1,097 package, the gold package, you're going to earn a commission off that, as long as you are invested in that program. Now, if you're only invested in the gold and somebody comes and buys the diamond, okay, you won't earn that commission because you're only at the gold. So you have to own it to get paid on it. Okay, that makes sense to you. Okay, so that's sort of an idea. I just wanted to do this video to give you an idea of what it takes to get started within this business. Okay, so if you wanted to, let's just bring out the calculator. Just say, for instance, you wanted to do the bare minimums and get invested in each program. Okay, and I forgot to tell you that on the income funnel, the multiple income funnel is $49 a month or $350 a year, and you'll earn $180 commission when people come in at the $350. So if you're invested in the $350 yearly plan, and someone else comes in and invests the $350 yearly plan, you'll earn $180 commission. Okay, I think I forgot to say that when I was going over the income stream number 1, which is the multiple income funnel. Okay, now let's just go to the calculator and just say, for instance, you want to come in at all the lowest levels. Just to get your foot in the door, just to be invested. You come in at all the lowest levels. Okay, so the my income funnel be $49. Okay, and you say you come in at the an easy one up, and you come in at the elevation program, which is the lowest one. It's $25. Okay, and then you the next one is the Ava, text bot AI, $100 the minimum to get started with that. And then you go on and you say, okay, I want to buy some traffic. And come in. I'll come in at the lowest level in the traffic authority, which is $220. Okay, so you can be up and running and invested in everything for less than $400. Okay, pretty good deal. And like I said, this is a business. So people a lot of times when they look at online marketing, some people just think money is just going to fall out of trees. Money is just going to be created in thin air. And it doesn't. It's just like anything else. It's just like opening a brick and mortar store. You have to invest money to make money. And $400 is not a lot to invest in a business, in a viable, legitimate, cash generating business. It's not a lot. And the likelihood, if you work the business and follow the instructions inside the program, you will be successful. You will make your money back if you show action and you follow instructions. It's really, really that simple. But less than $400, you can be invested in each. You can be invested in each income stream: multiple income funnel, the easy one up, text bot, AI, and traffic authority. Buy traffic, and you'll be in business. You can buy the traffic and start running traffic to your funnel. It's really that simple. But I just wanted to make that video just to clear up and answer some questions as to what does it take to get started in the multiple income funnel. But this is Micah White signing off. Please hit the like button under this video, and subscribe to my channel. Because I'm always going to be putting out good informational videos to keep you abreast on a lot of things internet marketing associated. But like I said, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me. You'll look in the description, and you can follow me on Facebook. And also click that link right beneath this video and get started. Get started with me, and let's grow this business. Let's grow this business to levels that you never ever thought, that you could be, and reach the success that you deserve. Click that button, and let's get started. But again, this is Micah White. I'm signing off until the next video. Hey, peace and prosperity.